Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a little Valentine's Day haul. It's just a tidbit early, but that's okay, that's the whole point. That way you guys can go ahead and go and find these items for yourself if you like them and if you guys want to decorate. Because I feel like I normally wait a little bit longer and then by that time, once it's up, people have already decorated. So I actually jumped the gun on this one and got in ahead of time. So I never ever get to make it to the Target dollar spot before everything is like gone and picked over. Like I'm pretty sure for Christmas I went, there was like maybe some wrapping paper. There was like nothing left. So I actually went in early. I went in to Target, I think today's Saturday, and I think I went in like Monday. So that doesn't even make sense. So today is January 11th and I think I went in like 5 days ago or something like that. So actually pretty early, and they had a lot of stuff to pick from. So one of the first things that I got were these dish towels. So to set up two for $5, and this first one is just like white and it says I love you, and then it has little heart emblems on the bottom. And then the second one has I love you written all over it in different colors. And I kind of used this as my color scheme for the rest of everything that I got. I really liked how it had a mix of different pinks, whether they were blush, a little more orangey, really light pink, and then even red. So I thought that was perfect because that's kind of the color scheme I wanted to go with. All ranges of pinks. So next thing I got were these placemats, and these were also two for $5 in the Target dollar spot. And they say, hello love. I thought they were so cute with like the floral around them. And I really liked them to decorate our island with. And then to go on top of those, so these were not in the Target dollar spot. They were actually in kind of just like where the dishes are normally in Target, and they're a part of the Opal House collection. So there's these larger red plates, which were $2.50, and I got two of those. And then the two of these light pink, and these were $2 a piece. And so I thought it would be really cute to kind of stack these like this, and then put them on the placemats. And yeah. So great. So the next thing that I got, and this was in the Target dollar spot, was this cake stand, and it was $5 as well. So I have been like wanting a cake stand for a long time, not to put cake on it, because do people actually do that? I'm not sure, but I love how people decorate them, or they have like the 3-tiered ones, and eventually I'll get there probably when I have a house and a little bit more counter space. But for now, this little one works perfectly, and it has these little hearts across the edges here. And they have these in a few different colors. There's a little light pink one that kind of matches the heart plates, and I really liked it, but I thought that it wouldn't be as useful because I feel like even though these hearts are around the edges, they're so little that I could use this year round, so I can decorate it differently for each season, which I like. The last thing that I got at Target was actually this little decanter, or what's it called? The carafe. I never remember what those are called. So it's just like a light pink carafe, and it has like gold trim, and I probably will not use it for like liquid or drinks, as you know, a carafe should be used for, but I definitely liked it as a vase. So I think it'll be perfect to house these cute little flowers that I also picked up, kind of flowers. So we have this place in Baton Rouge called Baton Rouge Succulent Co., and it has a whole bunch of succulents, cacti, everything, like all kinds of ones, like hanging plants, large palms, fiddle leaves, like all kinds of plants, and it's so cute. So I saw them post these on their stories. Let me get one out. These like fans, and aren't these just so pretty? And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get these. So we went in today and I grabbed a few, so I have them in this pink color. And then, I don't know, I'm messing up my arrangement. This like orange color too. So together they're like, oh my gosh, they're so my aesthetic. I'm so happy about that. I love them very much. I don't know that these are gonna go back. Those are not gonna look as cute as they did before. It's fine, we're just gonna ignore that. Those were kind of pricey. They were $8 a piece. I don't know if you can find them online anywhere, but she called them fans, so maybe you could just like look up leaf fans or something, like dried leaf fans. And yeah, that's all I got for you on those, but they're really, really cute. The next thing I picked up was this candle from TJ Maxx, and it is $12.99. I really love going to TJ to get like holiday candles. Like they always have really good ones that give off like a lot of smell. Like I'll pick up a bunch of random ones from like Walmart or something, but I feel like they don't really give off any smell. They're just burning, so what's the point? I love obviously the ones from Bath & Body Works, but they can be pricey. So this big one, this one will do. And it has like yes, love, XOXO, hug me, kiss me, and okay across there. And it smells pretty good. It's pretty like florally smelling. I thought that it would look cute like this. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to see when I start decorating, which by the way, there will be a clean and decorate with me to follow this. So that way you can see all of my decor put up for Valentine's Day. And I also just really need to do some deep cleaning. It's been a hot minute. Okay. So I think this is the last like things I picked up, which were these two wine glasses in this rose gold color. They were from Pier 1 and they were $14.95 a piece, but they're so beautiful. Like I literally saw them and fell in love. I don't think there's a more perfect wine glass. I wish that I would have gotten 4, but I didn't want to pay $15 each for, so 2 works for now. I think they'll look really cute, maybe with the plates set up, maybe around this, I don't really know, but I love them. And then my last purchase, which is not really like Valentine's Day-y at all, but it's these like tall pampas grass leaves that are behind me. So those are also from Pier 1 and they were only $12 each. So these are, I got 3, so it's like one whole piece is this whole one. They're pretty tall and I love how much room and stuff they take up. So I think it'll look really cute and I'll definitely show them in my clean and decorate with me when I put all of this stuff up. So if you guys want to see how they look in our room, make sure you watch that video. Do you guys decorate for Valentine's Day or do you kind of just like skip over that one? I know it's definitely one that can easily be skipped over. That's why I'm not doing like too much, just a little thing here and there just to kind of bring some pink in. I love pink, so it's perfect. But I'm not going crazy. I think that I might do like a few DIY pieces to kind of like finish it off. And I might do a video on those. If you guys want to see a video on that, tell me below in the comments. It'll probably be like, you know, the heart garland pieces you see like a whole bunch of strings like coming down like this. I think those are so cute and I feel like they'd be really, really easy to make. I just need to go grab some like paper or like felt or something and cut out a bunch of hearts and glue them to a piece of string. So I think I'm gonna do that and have them hanging from like our door frame or something like that. So if you are interested, let me know and I'll do a little video on how that all comes out. If not, that's cool too. No worries. And if you guys already haven't, I would love it if you guys would go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom. I am getting really, really close to hitting one of my first goals for the new year, which is to get to 200 subs, and I'm so close. And so I would love it if you wanted to support me and subscribe. Also, liking this video and sharing it would mean the world to me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a really, really great Valentine's Day here in the next few weeks. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.